So in this video, I'll tell you how to prepare an SPSS report to make you short and sweet. Um, Here I'm going to compare, correlate, and make some analysis on two set of marks, which is from two set of people. That is for here I have given section 1, and some username is there, some registration number is there, and this mid 1 mark, mid 2 mark, semester mark, final mark, and total mark is there. From here you have to remember one thing: mid 1 and mid 2, because in future I'm going to make the comparison between mid 1 and mid 2. So if you're taking mid 1 to be out of 10, mid 2 also must be out of 10. If you're taking mid 1 out of 50, mid 2 also must be out of 50. The same here also. Correlation between semester and final is to be taken. So semester is 50, final is 50. So total will be for 100 marks. That is not an issue. And the second file, what we are going to see here is the same format, but for the second section. So I'm giving the section number here as 2. All others are going to remain the same. And the third file, what I'm going to have is a combined file where I will have section 1 data followed by section 2 data. All are in the same format. Okay, so all these files are to be saved as .xls. You can see here .xls, not in any other format, because this will be quite supportable by SPSS. So I'll just close all the files. And coming to SPSS, you have to just open the file, data. I'm doing for first section now. Desktop, I've saved the file in desktop. So search here for Excel file, section 1.xls. Just give continue, because I have only one thing in it. Then here you can see these are the measures which are to be in scale format, not in any other format. If it is going to be in any other format, just change this to scale, and this types must also be in numeric only. If it is not in numeric, make a change there. Also check once the data file whether any empty cells are there. If there is no empty cell, there is no issue. So make sure the type must be all numeric and the measures must all be in scale. So now we will start analyzing. Analyze, descriptive statistics, frequencies. I'm going to make it for just total. So total, statistics, then mean, median, skewness, minimum, maximum, and your standard deviation. Then continue. Charts, histogram with normal curve, continue. Then you can go on with OK. So now you can see the analysis here of whatever I have given. I have taken 39 valid data. No missing data must be there. Missing data must be 0. Then this is the frequency, and here this histogram will be there. These are the values what I have asked there: mean, standard deviation, everything will be there. So again, start with analysis. Correlate, bivariate. You can see here this is not in a scale format, it has changed the format. So again, go to the data and you have to change it here. You can see here it has been changed. So just change it to scale again, otherwise the data your analysis will not be correct. Change it to scale. Then it's better to save it. In desktop itself I'm giving it as section 1 SAV. It will be saved as .sav file. Just save it. Then now go to analyze, correlate, bivariate. Still again it is there. The data is also correct. So now again we will continue. Analyze, correlate,